This is, okay, it's real. Like, it's happening.
I had the best day of my life yesterday, and today has been and will be a better day. Just got married to the love of my life. Heard the most beautiful vows I could possibly imagine. We're surrounded by our favorite people on the face of the earth, and all of them are here to celebrate us, which makes us simultaneously delighted and uncomfortable.
Turn around. Let me see the shoes. A moment for the shoes.
A moment for the sneaks.
A moment
for my cubby.
Not leaving me at the altar?
No.
Life is great.